how to download Pinterest app. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with quick and easy tutorial video on how to download the Pinterest app. Follow the steps. Begin by opening your device App Store, whether it's the Play Store for Android or App Store for iOS. Once in the App Store, look at the search bar and type Pinterest to find the official Pinterest app. Look for the official Pinterest app in the search result. You will see an install button positioned to the right. Click on it to initiate the download and installation process. Be patient while the app downloads and installs. The duration may vary based on your internet connection speed. Once the installation is complete, you will see an open button to the right of the application. Click on it to launch the Pinterest app. Congratulations, you have successfully entered the Pinterest app. Explore a collection of pins and photos tailored to your preferences. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.